Well, I could say Aratubo is a brave company, eager to face the new challenges and totally focused on the customers. Without question, the greatest value is the people working in Aratubo. They make the difference by enriching the relationship with the customers. We are a young company in a steady growth with a sales department with more than 20 people fully committed to the customers. Well, I've never imagined how our lives are surrounded by tubes. Since I'm working here, I have realized that there are tubes everywhere in our day-to-day, something I was not aware of before my arrival in Aratubo. Aratubo offers a full package from the manufactured tube till the end piece, according to the customer needs. 10 years ago, Aratubo decided to offer global tailor-made solutions to the customers in the automotive industry, and nowadays we have extended the service to other customers. Aratubo has experienced steady growth and remarkable growth. If we translate this into figures, in 2008 we were producing 2,800 tons, while last year in 2018 over 8,000. Always talking about the maquila industry and in terms of global solutions. With full package, I mean the different global solutions Aratubo can offer: cutting by saw, by laser, punching, marking, folding. And on top of everything, we listen to the customer. We listen to any need or requirements they may have, and we do our best to make their projects true. It is mandatory to be flexible, to adapt ourselves, to be in continuous movement and growth. With regards to my position, it is essential the good cooperation and coordination between and among all the agents involved in the service: suppliers, customer, programs, factory, shipping equipment, shipping department. And this is actually one of the most attractive aspects of my job, which makes me to have a global vision of the activity in Aratubo. Well, the customers are more and more demanding, and the projects are more and more tailor-made. The good thing is Aratubo has shortened the supply chain by reducing the number of agents for the customers. So that means that by offering the full package, which actually and nowadays represent the 32% of our production in the automotive industry, the customer doesn't need to take care of every step of the process, as we assume the responsibility. As said before, we listen to the customer, we try to get knowledge of what else we can do for them, to help them, to advise them, and to propose different global solutions, such as in terms of raw or in terms of packaging. What I like the most from my day-to-day is the multiple tasks I carry out every day, and also the teamwork with other departments, with the suppliers, and the global vision I have of the activity in Aratubo, as I have said before.